Brazil's Supreme Court voted to put former President Jair Bolsonaro on trial for allegedly conspiring to overthrow the government after he lost the 2022 election. The first 3 members of a 5-judge panel voted in favor of the trial, which could lead to a lengthy prison sentence for Bolsonaro if he is found guilty. Bolsonaro, a far-right former army captain who served as Brazil's president from 2019 to 2022, is accused of 5 crimes, including an alleged attempt to violently abolish the democratic rule of law and a coup d'état. The charges against Bolsonaro and 7 of his closest allies were reviewed by the Supreme Court, with Bolsonaro voluntarily attending the session and sitting silently in the first row, in a similar fashion to former U.S. President Donald Trump's trial last year. The Supreme Court's decision to put Bolsonaro on trial marks a significant moment in Brazil's political landscape, as it underscores the judiciary's role in addressing alleged attempts to undermine democratic institutions. If found guilty, Bolsonaro could face a prison sentence stretching over 2 decades. Bolsonaro has insisted that he will run for president again in 2026, despite a ruling by Brazil's Superior Electoral Court that barred him from running for public office until 2030 for his efforts to discredit the country's voting system. The charges against Bolsonaro and his associates include leading an armed criminal organization and conspiring to assassinate President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, Vice President Geraldo Alckmin, and Supreme Court Justice Alexandra de Moraes. Investigations have revealed plans involving poisoning or using grenades to carry out these alleged assassinations. In response to the charges, Bolsonaro has denied the allegations, labeling them as politically motivated attempts to hinder his potential candidacy in the 2026 elections.